Sup guys, Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. And as you can see, we're in the dark. We got Keith. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Keith's holding the light so we can do a different video. And since we're in the dark, we got to be doing a light video, obviously. So we got to do the before headlights. So these old suckers, see how bright they are. And Keith also wants to compare his headlights, his aftermarket ones, aftermarket LEDs, to my truck. So we're going to go ahead and do that as well. And come on, Keith, show him what you got. Oh yeah, we got some party mode for him. Turn off your light. Got a little bit of party mode, you know, for the truck. It's pretty all right. Keith turned it on the road and it's like, did you even see it? And I'm like, no. Couldn't see anything. But, you know, it's pretty decent on your out here. Just parked. But yeah, so let me go turn on my headlights. That's my headlights. Like, here'd be the view from inside the cab. Looks pretty all right on camera. I'm not gonna lie. It looks better on camera than in person. So that's just my normal headlights. Let me turn on my brights. So, not too bad, especially on camera. It makes it look pretty dang good. Not gonna lie. So we're gonna turn off mine, and now we're gonna go over to Keith's truck. All right, now Keith, turn your headlights on. Boom. Now turn on your brights. Yeah, a little brighter than mine. Do they get brighter when you're running?
They do a little bit, but not too much. This is
not too
much
much.
as bright as they get.
That's a little better. It's mostly just a different shade of color than mine. I'm gonna go turn on mine and then look at it from the front. Turn on, and I got high beams. So you can definitely tell that mine's a different tint. Mine's more of a yellow. This is more of a white. But you know, that's fine. We're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna make it, oh, I fell in a hole. We're gonna make it more of a different color so it's not so yellow. Liven the front up as well. Yes, we gotta come check out our new rock lights. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it on the camera. But our new rock light in the rear for our license plate light. We're gonna get it all the way around, and yes, I got a 12-inch drop hitch because we're big boys. Yeah, pretty good before. What's up guys, we're back again after the time lapse. Sorry, my camera's memory card got full, so we didn't really get any of the time lapse getting these bad girls in. I don't know if you'll be able to see it good, but yeah, they're in and good. I haven't fully got them adjusted, and I'll also check this out. I don't know if it'll show up on camera. The mountain behind us is on fire. That's freaking nuts. But yeah, let's go to the actual video of turning on the light. Keith, turn that off. And these are my running lights. We didn't do that before. So the running lights is actually pretty decent. And then boom! I can definitely see a difference. I don't know if camera can really see a difference. And then these are my brights. Brights really don't, they're just a little spot right there. That's about it. I'm thinking this driver's side right here lifting that one up a little bit, but I don't know. Oh, it makes the sky go like red. But yeah, I freaking gotta go drive with them a lot more, but I think they are definitely worth it. That relay kit made it super crazy easy to install, and then we just hit all the wires and everything, taped it up good. Keith hated me for taping it up really good, but you know, we got it done. Got it done in one afternoon, which is really nice. So the truck's nice and bright now. Now we gotta fix these and the turn signals, that one and that one. Like them nice and bright. But Keith, look guys, now the flashing light is in the. Hey, turn the headlights off and just, yeah. So that one's a running light, and then that's a turn signal. Put on hazards. Oh, that's kind of cool actually. Now go hazards. Now hazards is in the dash.
You can have me in the truck.
Boom! Nope, they hyper flash a little bit. Did you turn it off? Yeah. Okay. Alright, but yeah. Alright, so we're gonna use the lights in my headlights. I don't know if it's gonna turn out on camera. Yeah, the wind's in my face. Well, against my face. The hair's everywhere. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.